And one for your own team. Come on. Hip, 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 hip. Nice. Thank you, sir.
મંગલવારનું ઉંમર થઈ ગઈ યાર બહુ તમને કેટલા વર્ષ થયા મને પાટાનું ચાલે આરે બહુ આરે બહુ એક વસ્તુ છે એ
बालाचड़ी के स्वर्ण जयंती समारोह के सांस्कृतिक संध्या रूपी पुष्प गुच्छ की भीनी भीनी खुशबू का लुत्फ उठाने पधारे हुए तमाम आगंतुकों का मैं कैडेट अमृत कुमार समस्त बालाचड़ी परिवार की ओर से आप सबों का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। समंदर की रेत पर हम लिखते नहीं नाम, समंदर की रेत पर हम लिखते नहीं नाम, समंदर की रेत पर मिट जाते हैं नाम। हम वादा करते हैं आपसे सरेआम, हम वादा करते हैं आपसे सरेआम, बना देंगे रंगीन आपकी ये शाम।
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome in this great golden evening. I, Cadet Deepak, on behalf of whole Balachadin family, feel honored to welcome all your dignitaries who have come all the way from different parts of the world to feel the golden shine of Golden Jubilee celebration in Sainik School Balachadi, present in vibrant Gujarat.
ए आओ भले पधार्या स्वर्णिम गुजरात में स्थित सैनिक स्कूल बालाचड़ीना स्वर्ण जयंती महोत्सवना एक भाग रूपी सांस्कृतिक संध्या अंतर्गत अमरा आमंत्रण ने मान आपी पधारेल सौ महानुभावों हूँ कल्पेश अंतकरण थी भावभीनु स्वागत करूँ छूं। तो आइए हम अपने सांस्कृतिक संध्या का शुभारंभ करते हैं। क्या हुआ यार दीपक, क्या कर रहा है यार? अरे यार दीपक, इस साल इतने प्रोग्राम हुए हैं कि मैं भूल गया हूँ यार कि आज कौन सा प्रोग्राम है। मैं बताता हूँ। आपनी भारतीय परंपरा प्रमाणे दरेक शुभ कार्य की शुरुआत गणेश वंदना थी थाय छे। અમે પણ આપની સમક્ષ એક ગણેશ નૃત્ય આરતી રજૂ કરવા જઈ રહ્યા છીએ।
Well, beginning is half success, and to make our program a success, we need the blessing of God.
तो आइए हम विघ्नहर्ता का आह्वान करते हैं और अपने इस ऐतिहासिक सांस्कृतिक संध्या का श्री गणेश करते हैं गणेश वंदना के साथ।
गणेशाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यगणक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय
बीच में चले जाइए ना, पीछे बैठने लगो, दिखाई नहीं
धीमहि गूढगुल्पाय ग्रन्थभट्टाय योजयगदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
You were all growing up together in different parts of India and abroad. On this glorious moment, I am sure our honorable alumni gathered over here must be feeling quite nostalgic. They must be remembering the endless annual day practices, cultural programs and festivals that they were taking part in those days. And these grown-up men fluttered like a butterfly from pillar to post in this prestigious campus at that time. At the same time, those who were destined to serve on this land and spend some years of their professional life in the capacity of an officer, a teacher, an administrative staff or a general employee, also equally nostalgic, especially when they saw this old and abandoned academic block where most of their life had been spent. I am sure each and every one of you sitting here today must have a story to share. And that is the story which brought all of you together here in this land.
Is a leadership laboratory for all those who passed some of their precious years over here, irrespective of students and staff. For a good number of staff members, it was a take-off ground for other professions. On behalf of all those students and staff, I extend my sincere gratitude to this land of Balachadi, to the numerous officers, teachers who groomed them time and again. Their values and ethics have been shaped over here, and it is here that they have learned to make decisions for themselves and not rely on anyone for making them. We, the present officers, staff, and students, consider ourselves extremely fortunate to be candle bearers of this temple of knowledge and wisdom that has been lighted and handed over through generations. In the Bible, Moses said, "In the beginning, God created heaven and earth. And it was good that then He created this beautiful land of Balachari for us, for your alma mater." On this historic moment, we would be a great failure in our duty if we ignore our predecessors whose footsteps we are following even today. Sainik School Balachari is fortunate enough to have a true educationist and philanthropist as its principal during its golden jubilee years.
Once again, I am here with you. It so happens sometime a teacher is given 2 classes in a day, so in that you have to bear with me. I consider it my privilege to welcome you all to the cultural evening in connection with the valedictory function of Golden Jubilee celebration marking 50 glorious years of our school. I am sure the memories of the years that you all have spent in this temple of learning are fresh and dear. Today, as I stand before this august gathering, the significance of this momentous occasion makes me realize that though each one of us is a part of the history in the making, the present owes much to the past. The roots of the present lie in the past, and so the past we must look back to the years when the scaffold of our school were formed. We must endeavor to comprehend the thoughts of the founders of the school and embody the vision which they had cherished and continue in the pursuit of excellence to achieve greater heights. I salute Shri V.K. Krishna Menon, the great visionary who nurtured and established the great dream of Sainik schools in India. I am extremely grateful to the destiny that I am the principal of this prestigious institution on this historical occasion of the Golden Jubilee celebration. I am very much thankful to all my predecessors who created a great stage for me to work successfully in my capacity. At the very outset, I take this opportunity to pay my tribute and remember all those departed souls whose efforts made this institution capable today for the Golden Jubilee celebrations. There are many institutions that are fortunate to have visionary architects and founders, but that are not equally fortunate to have dedicated and creative builders. Sainik School Balachari was fortunate that those who came to serve it were as devoted, creative and brilliant as those who built it. 6. To be a responsible young citizen ready to serve the fellow men and the motherland. On 27th October 2010, we kick-started the Golden Jubilee celebration. Today, I am extremely proud to stand before you with a satisfactory balance sheet, the detail of which were already covered during the function held in the morning. I am very glad to announce that school has made a documentary and it will be released during our function today. The school constantly strives to give its cadets the best of the resources and is constantly upgrading its standards. The Golden Jubilee year also was mute witness to the changes in the campus. The first has been the addition of adventure wall atop the hillock top near SP House. The height, the challenge and the gusty wind makes the heartbeat go fast and adrenaline rushing. Our homage to our students who made the supreme